Caroline Doyle. I'm a mindset and business coach. I would like to invite you to a free workshop January 7th to create an amazing year, to create the year that you want. Okay, it will be 3 hours workshop on assessing your year, planning your year, setting the right goals, identify the right strategies, the metrics, because most people don't do it. So if you're tired of struggling and tired of just being so busy, but you're not clear about where you want to go, this workshop is for you. If you want to know how amazing your year will be, you want to be at this workshop. And on top of this, you will have fun. In my career, I had so many planning sessions that they were boring. And to be honest, this one, I want to make sure that you will have fun. I want to make sure that you know where you're going. The goal is to relieve some stress so you can enjoy the journey and reach your goal. If you're tired of having the same result over and over again, join this workshop, January 7th, 1 to 4 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time. Yes, 3 hours. We need this. So you have a choice. You join and you will create an amazing year without stress, or at least less stress. Or don't join this workshop and maybe don't bring clarity to your year and repeat the same result over and over again. I'm Caroline Doyle. I'm a mindset and business coach. I'm certified. I'm a lawyer. I have my MBA and I have over 20 years of experience in high management position. So you need somebody who did that before. Know somebody how to achieve what you want, because you know what you want. 88% of my clients are achieving or overachieving their goals. So now it's your turn. Your turn to shine and have an unbelievable year. So join us January 7th and we'll start this year on fire. See you there.